Welcome to March's Market Update. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of March. The number of active listings was up 40% from 1 year earlier and did not change from the previous month. These latest figures mean that buyers had a greater selection of homes to choose from compared to the same month the previous year. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just over $300,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was up 51%. This higher number of days may signal a slowdown in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just over $280,000. The number of units sold decreased 36% year over year and increased 29% month over month. Despite a slight annual decrease, this upward monthly sales trend indicates positive momentum. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.